Hey everyone, you have probably heard about CRUD: create, read, update, delete. In web development, there are HTTP verbs to perform these operations when working with APIs. HTTP verbs, also called HTTP methods, define the type of action we want to perform on a resource. Let's go through each one of them. The get method is used to fetch data from the server. For example, when we request quiz questions, we use get, and the response will contain the quiz questions. The post method is used to send data to the server to create a new resource. This will allow us to add a new quiz question. To update existing data, we use put or patch. Put updates the entire resource, patch updates only specific fields. These methods will allow us to modify an existing quiz question. The delete method is used to remove data from the server. This will delete a specific quiz question. See you in the next video.